when the ocean lets sand fall. Just beyond the famous arch of Cabo San Lucas, where two seas collide, the ocean performs one of its quietest miracles. Beneath the surface, sand flows like water. These are the Sandfalls of Cabo, underwater cascades shaped not by gravity alone, but by time, currents, and motion. Grain by grain, it pours over underwater cliffs, sliding into deep blue canyons below. For decades, divers watched them fall endlessly, as if the seafloor itself were alive. But sandfalls are not permanent. They exist only as long as sand continues to arrive. Storms, currents, and tides once fed them, pushing sediment toward the edge. When the slope grew too steep, the sand gave way. Today, many sandfalls have slowed, some have gone silent. As currents shift and coastlines change, the sand finds new paths, sometimes deeper, sometimes gone altogether. Harbors, seawalls, and dredging interrupt the journey of grains that once fed these falls. What remains is a reminder: the ocean is never still, and even its wonders are temporary. To witness a sandfall is to catch the seafloor in motion, a moment when the land itself lets go and the ocean carries it away.